A catastrophic severe weather outbreak is now unfolding across the United States, and this could become one of the most dangerous stretches of weather we've seen all year. A relentless storm pattern is about to unleash days of destructive chaos, beginning today across the Great Plains and Midwest with explosive supercell thunderstorms capable of producing hurricane-force winds, massive baseball to softball-sized hail, and multiple tornadoes. But this is only the beginning. Saturday raises the threat even higher with the potential for powerful tornadoes and widespread damaging storms. Then comes Sunday and Monday, the period meteorologists are deeply concerned about. Conditions are rapidly aligning for a major tornado outbreak with the possibility of violent long-track tornadoes, giant hail, and widespread destructive winds capable of causing major damage across multiple states. And the worst part? This dangerous pattern may continue far beyond Monday, keeping millions at risk for nearly an entire week. Today's severe weather risk has already been upgraded with a large enhanced risk zone stretching across central Iowa and surrounding areas. Dangerous storms are expected to erupt from Texas all the way into the upper Midwest. Winds could exceed 80 miles per hour, powerful enough to rip roofs apart, knock down trees and power lines, and send debris flying through neighborhoods. Giant hail the size of baseballs, possibly even larger, could shatter windows and destroy vehicles within minutes. Forecasters are also monitoring multiple zones where isolated tornadoes may rapidly develop later this afternoon and evening, especially across southern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and northeastern Iowa. Any storm that becomes more unstable could quickly turn dangerous. Residents in these regions need to stay alert because conditions can escalate extremely fast. Saturday brings another widespread severe weather event from the Central Plains into the Ohio Valley. Explosive thunderstorm development is expected with destructive straight-line winds, giant hail, and an increasing tornado threat. Some storms may intensify into isolated supercells capable of producing large tornadoes, especially across Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and parts of Texas. But Sunday is when this pattern could truly turn extreme. Meteorologists are increasingly concerned about a significant tornado outbreak developing across parts of the Plains and Midwest. Cities including Sioux Falls, Omaha, Wichita, and Oklahoma City may face the highest threat for strong tornadoes and destructive supercells. Massive hail, destructive winds, and multiple tornadoes are all possible as atmospheric conditions become highly volatile. Then comes Monday, and this could become the most dangerous day of the entire outbreak. A rapidly intensifying low-pressure system moving out of the Rockies is expected to create an environment highly favorable for violent severe weather. Multiple rounds of storms are expected to erupt from Texas into the Midwest, including discrete supercells capable of producing intense tornadoes, giant hail, and devastating wind damage. Forecasters are especially concerned that some tornadoes Monday evening could become intense or even violent if storms remain isolated long enough before merging into massive squall lines. Widespread damaging winds may stretch for hundreds of miles across the Plains and Midwest overnight. This setup has the potential to become one of the biggest severe weather events of May. The threat will continue shifting eastward into Tuesday with additional severe storms expected from Oklahoma through Illinois and the Ohio Valley. Damaging winds, large hail, torrential rain, and more tornadoes may continue as this dangerous pattern refuses to let go. Beyond Tuesday, the forecast remains extremely active. Additional rounds of severe weather may continue well into next week as a highly unstable pattern locks into place across the United States. Meteorologists are warning that the atmosphere is primed for repeated dangerous outbreaks, meaning this prolonged period of chaos is far from over. If you live anywhere in the threat zones, now is the time to prepare. Have multiple ways to receive weather warnings, charge your devices, review your tornado safety plan, and stay alert throughout the coming days. This is not a routine storm pattern. This is shaping up to be a prolonged and potentially historic severe weather outbreak.